In this video, we are going to show you how to freeze mushrooms the quick and easy way. To freeze raw mushrooms, clean the fresh mushrooms with a damp soft cloth to remove dirt. Slice them in half, then place on a lined baking sheet. Cover with a cling wrap and freeze for 2 hours until fully frozen. Once frozen, remove the wrap and transfer to freezer bags and store in the freezer until you're ready to cook them. Frozen raw mushrooms can be frozen for up to 8 months in the freezer. You can also freeze cooked mushrooms with a method of sautéing. In a pan over medium heat, melt some unsalted butter, then cook the mushrooms until brown. Place and spread on a plate, then allow to cool to room temperature. Transfer into a resealable plastic bag, but take note to make an inch of space within as the mushrooms will expand when cooled. These frozen cooked mushrooms can last for up to 8 months in the freezer. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.